It appears as skeleton when you first visualize it. Then you take pity of heart and decide to feed it with flesh and blood, which are words, thoughts, imaginations, concepts from your, sometimes reasoning too, with waves of emotions from your mental farms. Beliefs are also part of the menu. Allow some of your doubts in too. Unsure, let it rise and start to walk, slowly growing into a form, culminating in exhilaration, fulfillment. But don't let it rest there. Bring in more facts, fatten it again. For tomorrow, when you come to tend to it, look for realities and some pain pills. Kill your beginner's fear and worry of rejection in the initial isolations. For every pity, poesy is solitary. Whether applause or withdrawal, leave it to grow fatter by time. Let hard work and focus be your obsessions, and your apprehension not to drop that pen. Of chance left to chance. This wraith must feed or dissolve into your veins as poison. For this passion, either eat now or eat your heart, O poet, with regrets.